I'm ready. Good spoon.
All right, today we're going to be installing an MST performance intake. Okay, very simple. You need three things: a drill with a T20 bit, an Allen key set, and I don't know where the hell, and a flathead bit.
Could we get a close-up of that drill?
Yeah, a close-up of the drill here. Yeah. All right, it's very simple, easy to do. All the pieces come already pre-assembled. You're gonna have a filter, a cover. You're gonna have 6 screws that, screw the cover on. You're gonna have some tubing and a clamp. Okay. MST performance intake. This came assembled. Everything is screwed on pretty tight. And there's a rubber seal right here.
Remember your rubbers.
So, anyways, we're gonna start with taking the cover off. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Boom.
Pops right off. Then we're gonna take the T20 bit. We're gonna unscrew.
This
One.
is not sponsored by DeWalt.
We're gonna take these 2 screws out. They're T20 bits. They should come out very easily. Okay. And at the same time, unloosen that bit. Take that out. We're gonna leave this. I don't know where the fuck we're gonna leave it, but we're gonna leave it there. Okay. Now we're gonna put in our flathead bit and unscrew the stock clamp, but not too much.
Just a smidge.
Just a smidge, so that way we get it a little bit loose.
Maybe a little more than a smidge.
Yeah, I know, maybe. And that should be loose enough. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the back here, and there's a mass airflow sensor, which is back here. You're gonna unclip it, okay? You're gonna turn it, and it should pop right out. We're gonna leave that right here. Okay. And so now we're gonna back up and we're gonna turn this clockwise and try to actually pull this out. It's pretty difficult to pull out.
Give me a little muscle. Give me a little muscle. Come on, Arnold.
There we Okay.
Oh, he got it.
And there you go. This is the cover for the stock intake, which we're not gonna need anymore. All right, now the filter, we're gonna take that out. We're gonna use some leverage here because it's pretty tight in there. And this is how you use the wrong tools. Okay, so we're gonna take this out. Okay, again, this fucking thing. All right.
Good spoon.
Oh my God. Okay. Usually these filters come out easily, but this one is not coming out easily.
Give you a little slap.
Yeah. All right. God damn it. All right. Let's. All right. Okay. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So let me grab an Allen key and try to get this out easier.
Oh, come on. Our viewers want that out.
Okay. Oh, God damn it. Okay. Okay, filter's out. Okay. So now, this should be able to come out very easily. So we're gonna take this pipe right out. We're gonna pull it off to the side a little bit. And we're gonna take this. This pops right out. This pops right out. Okay, and this is the stock air filter. Don't need that anymore. So now we're gonna take this MST intake and we're gonna put it in the factory position. 2 holes here, 2 little nubs here, and a nub here. what else is the... Oh, forgot. We have to take the stock rubber off of this. So...
You find more rubber.
So now let's figure out how to take this rubber off. Where's the Allen key? So we can try to take this off too. Okay, stock rubber comes off. And the stock rubber goes on the front here. Everything's screwed in tight. Two nubs here are basically gonna go right here, and these two nubs. No, you can't do it like that.
No, I know.
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah, but you're screwing up the video.
I'm not screwing up the video. We're fine. This
Christ,
is all
like,
going online.
How long did you put the...
I just did. I just did.
No,
like
I
that.
know, but how many of them did you do it like that?
Only once.
Okay. Because then it screws up the video.
No, it's fine. I know.
Okay. All right. Stock holes are right here. Where the hell are you even pointing the camera?
Pointing the camera at that.
Okay.
Showing them the stock holes, man.
These are the stock holes. Well, these are the performance holes now. And they're going to go in these right here.
Yeah.
These holes right here. And this rubber is going to sit right in this little groove. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this and try to push it in. I'm going to get over here so they can look over. Oh, man. This is tight. Okay. This is tight.
Can you get it?
I'm trying to.
It's always going on video. YouTube. I am.
Okay. All right. I'm trying to push this in as much as possible. Okay. Okay. So just keep pushing these nubs in. I should have used some lubrication, but it didn't work out. Okay. So now, as you can see, it's in the two nubs in the back. Show them the nubs in the back.
It's all in?
Yeah, the nubs are in.
I got some lube in the house.
Yeah.
K-Y jelly.
And then I have the nub in the front connected. It's seated. Okay, so now, next thing up, we're gonna try to get this pipe. Okay, we're gonna try to get this pipe through here.
It was like the easiest thing you did.
This is the easiest, yeah, I would assume so. Okay. Now, we're gonna try to mock this up so that way.
Oh, nice.
Okay, like that, right? That looks good.
That looks good.
Okay, so now here's the question. That piece that I had before is right here. We're gonna put this piece in here.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna seal nice all the way in. And then we're gonna put the stock mass airflow sensor through the hole.
Yeah.
Okay, it's gonna go like that. And we're gonna try to put this in and connect it at the same time. So here it is. And it should go like so, right? Okay, so it's in. So now I screwed up and I forgot to put the clamp on.
Come on, man.
So now we're gonna,
You know what?
yeah.
Forget about Ghost Boom. This is cars with jackasses. I tell you, it's made a better thing. Cars with a bunch of jackasses.
Okay, got that out. Clamp's got to go on. Just not all the way on, but just a little bit on. And let's see if we can try to get this mass airflow sensor back in the hole. Okay, it's in all the way. Can you see it? Is it in all the way? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna position this in such a way that it doesn't hit the cover, because we don't want the cover being hit. And at the same time, we're gonna tighten this clamp. Nice drill, yeah.
Nice drill. Depot, 99.
Okay, so that's on tight. Now we're gonna tighten.
Screws.
Yeah, I know, I got the screws there. We're gonna tighten this, the stock clamp. Oh. Yep. You ever see me not how to use a drill? So let me tighten it a little bit more. Don't tighten too tight, because this thing is, okay, this thing is giving me a problem today. Okay, so that's in tight. This is in tight. Airflow sensor is in. Now the final steps that we got to do is put this back, the stock tubing. Put this in there. Connect it over here. Connect this over here. Make sure it's tight. Okay, that's in. Everything seems to be in. Just check everything, make sure it's tight. And now, the cover. This cover has to go in with 6 screws. 6 screws. Okay, and I'm gonna try to put them in as easily as possible and not lose anything.
And here he goes.
Okay,
He's losing it.
I'm losing the screw.
He's losing it.
What the hell? Where's the hole? Oh, there it is. That's what she said. All right. Okay, so now I got that in. Got 1 screw, and I'm just putting them in like a touch, not screwing them all the way in, because I want to make sure that the
Just
cover.
a touch.
Yeah, I want to just make sure the cover is even. Okay. These screws are very tiny, so they're easy to lose. Oh my God! Come on. Oh nope! No, don't do that.
What that chicken's ready. Our viewers at home realistically are eating chicken when they're watching this. So it doesn't.
Yeah, you think they're eating chicken?
Oh, 100%. They're gonna go outside later to the garage. Go do this.
All right. All right. Getting there. Getting there. It's taking a little time, but I'm getting there. Here we go. Come on. I gotta tell you, you're the best video man I ever seen.
Mustangs.
I like that Mustang.
And fence.
Gentle
He
creature.
treats that Mustang like, it's not an expensive Mustang, is it?
No, it is. Yeah, but it's older.
It's older, yeah.
But he treats it
I
better
think an
than
02.
his
Yeah.
treats better than his son.
Oh, he definitely doesn't like this one.
All right, so now find the right Allen key. What do you think? What number do you think this is? Is that it? No, it's not it.
Close. What's that?
Husky, not sponsored. Okay, gotta go
Not
smaller.
sponsored by Husky. Yet.
All right, so now this size is, if anybody wants to know, this is a this is a 764.
764.
Okay, so now we tighten. Oh wow, tightened right away. Okay, tighten, tighten. Tighten, tight, tight. Okay, so now the last steps of this whole project Very simple. Put the cover back on. Okay. I'm gonna start the engine. Frank, I'm gonna rev it, and you just take a look.
Dude, people at home know the cameraman knows nothing about cars.
This is why
Don't
it's
matter.
hilarious, yeah.
Doesn't matter. It's fucking. Actually, a nice sound.
And that, my friends, is how you install an MST performance intake.
Ghost boom.